Hey peeps on YouTube, it's Fifth Scaler Bust here, and we're out with the Kraton, and even better than that, I rigged a device, so I have two hands. Well, I can't see that one, I'm holding the remote, but now I can actually drive like I really want to drive. We're here, I just found this like construction site going on, maybe, look at this little pile right there going on. Find something sick to jump here. Do some flips, do some whatever, who knows, do something pretty cool with this 6S. One thing's cool with the 6S, she is fast, I'll give it that. Reverse donuts, what's up? Alright, let's go check this out, see what's over here. What's up, guys? Look what I found, a little sand pit back here. I took a quick little walk, and there really isn't any jumps back here, which kind of sucks. I'm trying to make do with what I got. This here kind of might work, but this stupid tall grass is here on the way, but shall we? I think we shall. See what happens. Holy crap. Holy shit. Oh, man. Oh, she's stuck. I'm not even going to bother. Oh, man. Oh, great. This is all going to be locked up in all the dips, right? Oh, yeah, I can't even get this out. Holy hell. Yep. Yep. Stop while you're ahead, right? Oh, yeah. Get out. Woo. If all this stupid grass wasn't here, that'd be pretty cool, you know? Oh yeah, I got good. Full blast. Right. Oh, right in the goddamn grass again. Whew. Oh yeah. You're not going anywhere, are you, buddy? I'll save you. Alright, what do you think? This rock pile actually has a good shape to it, good lip. I got run-up space. The problem could be is that you can jump right into fresh concrete. Check this out. It's smooth, but it's hard. I'd rather be landing in dirt. See? I wonder if she'll make it. This is going to be interesting. Really interesting. Fuck it. Excuse my language. I try not to swear, but it's part of my vocabulary. Oh. Up we go. Oh boy. This could be the death of the Kraton. Screw it. Let's do it. See what happens. Oh! Oh, she barely made it. Woo! How close was that? Woo! That was awesome. Oh, sucked up. She didn't hit right there. She would have got more. Man, that was close to a rail, if you would. Oh, the corner of that would have hurt right on the chassis. You know what that means. We gotta try it again. Oh, shit. Oh! Yep, she's done. That broke it. Oh, I heard that. Oh, she's done. What broke? Oh, I see the suspension hanging out. Shit.